What's up, guys? So this is a very clean G37 Invidia exhaust. Got what test pipes? AAM non-resonated test pipes. It's tuned on up rev. It's a 2008 or 2009, I'm not too sure, but I'll put the entire mod list in the description below. So yeah, this thing's tuned on up rev, and it made about, I think, 325 wheel and 262 or 263 wheel torque. So Aodhan DS02 wheels and Akebono brakes, powder coated orange. It's pretty nice. We got custom headlights in the front and a aftermarket carbon fiber grille. In-gen long tube colder intakes, carbon fiber mirror caps. This is Instagram, go give them a follow. This thing's really clean. Yeah. Sick. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. There's not too many clean G37s around. And then Mishimoto. And then he did the dial controls, volume control and all that stuff tuned. All the knobs have been changed. And black headliner.